Hey guys, just thought I'd do a old start, cold start video here. Car's been sitting about a week, snow on the ground, averaging about 20 to 25 degrees, but since it's in the garage it doesn't get below, much below freezing, but still hasn't been started in a week, so we'll go ahead and get you set up here and start it on up. So, get you positioned here. And here we go. To start off, I won't pump the gas, give it a few hard cranks, and then see what happens. There you guys have it. Slightly kind of hot right now just because it's not warmed up yet, but we'll go see if it'll kick down here. Still won't kick down, still pretty cold, but we'll take it out for a spin here in a little bit once it gets warmed up. So that's that. Smoking up there a little bit. Got my heater on, trying to warm up the engine here. Get this stupid truck hot out of the way. See if they'll kick down now. Yeah, there we go. Kick down a little bit. Not much has changed, really. Same old Camaro. Well, just want to do a quick video of that, guys, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.